And look at that. He's already falling asleep. Hi everybody, it's Cecilia with Robin's Nest Weaving. Today I'm going to show you how to wrap your baby in a stretchy wrap. Clearly Theo is a little larger than you would normally wrap a baby in a stretchy wrap. Usually they're good from about birth to 15 or so pounds. Theo is about 20 pounds. He's 8 months old. But since he's my smallest baby, I am going to show you how to do it. The method is still the exact same. So you're going to start by finding the middle of your wrap. I found mine by folding it in half, but sometimes there is a middle marker and then that saves you the trouble. So you scrunch it up and put it around your chest. You want it to stay flat though, even though you scrunched it up. And then around your back, you want to keep it straight. See, there's no twists. And I'm actually going to then put it under my chest pads. I did stretch the material as I was pulling it across. I'm going to do the same here. See, I'm pulling it so that it's pretty snug to me. Same thing, and then this time I'm going to just pull it through so they're both underneath. So now that we have both, pull our hair out. See, it's pretty tight around my body. There's still some stretch. So I'll gather one in each hand and I'm gonna cross them over. And then I'm gonna kind of straighten them back up. This is the part that I think is one of the most important parts and is so often forgotten. Most people would now just take these tails, tie them around the back. But what I do is I take my hands and I grab this rail on the inside. So this right now is the bottom. So if I pull on it, it's pulling this part. So I'm gonna grab those, flip them around. And then I'm going to pull those flipped around across my back and tie in a knot. All right, so now we have this. And you can see right here, you can see the flip that I did. And that is going to create a nice seat for our baby. You're gonna see right now. So I'm going to pull this part down. It's not the most flattering look usually. And then I'm gonna pull these and pull them out and apart. So that's how I like to start to get the baby in. All right, and remember your baby is probably much smaller at this point. Theo. Oh, and Theo's all about my necklace, okay. So now I'm going to go bring my hand in here. Grab my baby's leg, guide it through. Do the same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to kind of bounce, pull across. Take this one, pull across. And now we put our hand in here and grab this top. And I'm grabbing this rail, which is right here. See, my hand is right here. Grabbing it, pulling it up. Always take a moment to bounce your baby if they need. And then do the same thing on the other side. See, now he has a really good seat right there. And this is up nice and high. Then there's also no bunching on either of us. It's all very smooth. And then I'm gonna reach and grab the waistband and pull it over. Oh, there's a sticker on his foot. Over and up. And then this is the point where I like to bring my hands kind of inside to the baby. I'm touching his pants right now. And I kind of just scoot and get him to the right height that I want. Spread the back out. Arrange the shoulders, what feels comfortable. And whatever's comfortable for you. It might not be the same thing for everybody. And then with smaller babies, you generally, I like to tuck their heads in. Now what I would do, since I like a bigger hole here for my baby, is I'm grabbing this rail and I'm grabbing it on the back too. And I kind of just pull, so I guess not really the rail, more like the middle. So the rail is on my shoulder and then I pull it back up. And now, see, we've created this little, see, so that this hole is bigger, the baby has more breathing room. And if he were to ever want to switch his head to the other side, I would also switch the side that has this little kind of pocket thing. If your baby happens to be a newborn, they often will want their feet all the way up here, and you can just take this and wrap it right around their feet. I'm not going to do it to my baby because he's a little big, but if it would be like that, only it would be way up here with their tiny little legs. Although you normally wouldn't wear a stretchy wrap when they're this big, it's not because it doesn't work. It's not because it's unsafe. It's purely because if you wear it for a long period of time, the baby is so big and heavy, and since it's a stretchy wrap, it doesn't have the same support. So it does get a little bit more strenuous on you. It's a little bit more kind of that pulling forward feeling, but it clearly works, and just got my baby down for a nap. If you feel like you learned anything new from this video, or if it was helpful at all, don't forget to like and subscribe. And also, if you're interested in this baby wrap, it will be for sale on robinsnestweaving.com. If you want to learn how to make your own stretchy wrap, you can go and watch the live that Rebecca just posted on the channel not long ago. And she goes through exactly how she makes it. She actually makes it on camera. And if you want to learn how to dye, you can go back and watch the snow dyeing video. I will link it in the cards and down below, where she actually dyed this material. I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.